Is this good?
I think it looks pretty good, sweetie. What do you think? Does it look like it's all mixed up?
Yes.
Okay. Got the mold all ready, the volcano
Let
mold.
me see. Yeah, it's sticking pretty well. Yep, I think it's good. Okay. Oh, wait, there's little gaps. Can you help me? I need help. I'm scared.
It's okay, you got this.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh
You
my
got
gosh, oh my
this.
gosh. Gosh, just pour it, pour it, pour it, pour it. Oh, it's leaking out!
It's okay, sweetie. It's gonna be all right.
No, it's leaking out, like after.
It's okay.
No, I saw it leaking out. I think that was way too much vinegar.
Oh.
And it even bubbled down the stream.
Yep.
It smells so good.
Does it smell good?
Yes.
That's funny.
It's vinegar. I love vinegar.
Mm.
I think it needs a little bit more to bubble. Like, it smells so good. I can already smell it.
这样拿着，这样拿着。
You can put 2 spoonfuls of baking soda if you want. Make a bigger explosion.
I'm gonna put 1 and a
1.5? Okay. Okay, put it in the
Wait,
volcano.
it's still not 1.
It doesn't have to be perfect, sweetie.
No, but I want a lot of explosion.
那我
Yeah,
给你摇
after
一
you
摇，
finish,
那我给你摇一摇就好了。
after you finish pouring one, you can pour another. You can pour the second half. You said you want 1.5, right?
Actually, more than 1.5.
Yeah, 2 is recommended. 2 is on the internet. 2 spoons.
Well,
Okay?
not a half, but still a lot.
Okay.
So that down.
And then your vinegar's next.
And 3, 2, 1.
All the way. Throw all the vinegar.
No, I don't.
Oh, you don't need all the vinegar? It's going to make a mess? Without any...
Yeah, that's exploding. Yeah, look at all that soap. It's bubbling so much.
Yep. So next time I think we should use white vinegar and some red food coloring. Orange food coloring. What do you think?
No, I think we should use brown vinegar since that's more red.
Right, but how do we make it look red-orange? Because right now the lava looks brown.
Because we're gonna add like some red and then 4 dots of orange and then 3 dots of yellow.
Okay.
And then pour it in. Yeah, I'm gonna get ready for the. I'm gonna